Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Confirm your account passed age verification and that voice chat is allowed. Once done, update Roblox and use a supported mobile device so features appear. Now open Roblox, tap the three dots for settings, go to privacy, then voice chat. Toggle voice chat on and accept the microphone permission prompt from your phone. This first step ensures the system level and account level permissions are aligned, so the app can capture your voice when you join a voice-enabled game. Once permissions are set, you need to join a voice-enabled experience. Search for games that list voice chat or read the game details. Developers explicitly enable it. After entering the game, look for the microphone icon or an in-game voice menu and enable your mic there. Make sure your app audio and phone microphone levels are set correctly. Adjust input and output volumes in both the game and your device settings. This middle phase connects app-level voice activation with the specific game's implementation, so you can be heard. Finish by testing voice chat with a friend or the game's test channel. Use push-to-talk or always-on as required and listen for your playback. If others can't hear you, restart the Roblox app, recheck microphone and privacy permissions, and try a different Wi-Fi or cellular network to rule out NAT/firewall issues. If problems persist, reinstall Roblox and rerun account age verification. These steps often clear persistent permission blocks. One key tip: toggling microphone permission off then on in your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.